not going to expand other than what is here this year. So what we can do, we don't need to necessarily pull out frames. But I can't get a good idea on the weight on that one, so we're gonna have to go a little further. I really am concerned with the lack of rain. That one's got some good weight to it. That push pin means that this was a quality super. If I were to grade them, grade A. Meaning they had lots of already drawn comb to work with. That one's not much to see. Forgot to bring my 9-frame spacer. You don't want to give them too much room. 80% drawn is about where you want to be. And I said 80% drawn, 80% filled, right? Not drawn. They got this more than 80% drawn. They don't have it 80% filled. So they're not getting another super. I gotta say, if you're in Michigan and you rely on goldenrod to get your your bees through the winter, you might want to be buying some sugar now. Lack of rain is likely going to be an issue, and I am kind of already seeing it be an issue. Ridiculously light, man. Well, we got good news on swarm catches so far this year. We're better than any other season as far as catch numbers this early. Consider Memorial Day the start. Honey production sucks. Colony 1 is my longest living colony as far as wintered, and it's my second catch of one season. A couple seasons ago, it's overwintered twice. little better. Colony 6 came out of winter struggling. Basically came out as a single, less than 5-frame nuke. I don't like the way that one just came out at me all hot like. Interesting. This is the only one that has not been 9-frame spaced. And unfortunately, there's no reason to go any further. I think the goal of 100 gallons just went. So colony 4, I did remember my step stool. Oh, wow. They're not exactly happy today. But as I've said, I don't like to smoke in my honey supers. It looks good. The weight felt good. Plenty of bees up here. This one is super heavy. Already being capped. Hopefully you can see that. You're getting another super. So at this point, there really isn't much difference in the quality of the supers that I have left, meaning drawn comb versus undrawn comb. Everything's pretty much undrawn, so this one needs a lot of work. But if there's a colony that can do it, it's this one. So anyways, I'm just going to wrap everything up, close it up. Not great news on honey production. I'll have to give it some thought, see what we're going to do. Anyways, thanks for watching. Stay tuned for some giveaways, Hive Alive products, Pro Nukes, maybe even bees. Like, subscribe, share if you're interested. Thank you.